So friends, Apple is gearing itself for its next flagship series iPhone 17, including iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max. The company is all set to unveil its premium smartphones later this year. Nevertheless, early leaks hint at some of the most exciting upgrades we are going to have in the iPhone 17 Pro Max. While the tech giant has not confirmed anything officially, but early leaks and rumors suggest the company will bring its new device with a stronger, more scratch-resistant display, improved battery life and fast A19 Pro chipset. And one thing which is sure is that Apple is clearly aiming to push the boundaries of innovations, performance, design and camera with its next flagship iPhone 17 Pro Max. The industry reports claims that the tech giant could bring the iPhone 17 Pro Max with aluminum frame in comparison with the titanium frame of iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro. To recall, the iPhone 14 Pro have a stainless frame. Another major change that we could witness in the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro Max is the larger rectangular camera bump along with rounded corners. Other noteworthy upgrades under the hood is an anti-reflecting coating that will surely make it more resistant to scratches as compared to Apple's previous iPhones. And when we talk about its specifications, it has 6.9-inch QHD Plus OLED 120Hz display, anti-reflecting coating, thinner bezels, Bionic A19 Pro SoC, and 48 megapixel main camera plus 48 megapixel ultra wide and 48 megapixel 5x telephoto camera. And it has 24 megapixel front camera and iOS 19 with Apple Intelligence out of the box, and it has bigger battery. Additionally, the company might thicken the phone's frame in order to accommodate a larger battery that will promise to deliver better endurance. And talking about the performance, and Apple might bring its in-house A19 Pro chipset built on TSMC's advanced 3nm process, and if that happens, the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro Max will deliver improved speed and power efficiency. Another major change that iPhone lover will witness is in terms of Wi-Fi, as the company is reportedly ditching Broadcom and expected to go with its own custom designed Wi-Fi 7 chip, promises to deliver stable wireless connectivity. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.